It's a bitter cold morning in Washington, D.C., and Mark Anderson is rallying the volunteers.
Good morning, everybody, by the way. Good to see you. It's a beautiful, if somewhat brisk day.
He's co-director of We Are Family DC, a nonprofit that helps senior citizens with food deliveries and other services. He's been doing this for more than 15 years and currently serves about 1,000 seniors. The COVID-19 pandemic has made their mission more essential than ever, and now a new challenge, helping these vulnerable seniors receive the vaccine. In addition to the usual food delivery, these seniors are receiving information about how to register for the vaccine. It has the web address here to sign up, but many of these vulnerable seniors don't have a computer or internet access. In the early weeks of vaccine distribution here in Washington, D.C., seniors in affluent, predominantly white parts of the city have been more likely to receive the vaccine than those living in poor, mostly non-white neighborhoods.
So you have a situation where the folks who are most at risk are the least able to access the thing that can actually reduce their risk dramatically. And it's largely based on, factors of what? Economic class, whether they have money or not, and race, unfortunately, because the history of this city and the history of this country means that poverty and race are inextricably bound.
With COVID restrictions in place, volunteers like Lynette Mooring are sometimes the only outsiders these seniors see on a regular basis.
If I didn't live near my parents and my parents needed help, I would want someone like myself to help them out. They look forward to me. They're waiting for me a lot of times when I get there.
Her car packed with food, she heads out. Sure enough, before she even enters this senior citizen apartment, she's greeted like an old friend.
So did you contact Washington Hospital Center or they reached out to you?
Glenn Hamlin is a resident here and a We Are Family client.
Yeah.
But you haven't gotten the COVID vaccine.
No, I haven't
So
got that.
do you have a computer? Do you have access to the internet?
No, I don't have nothing like that. No, I don't have access to none of that.
We Are Family will work with people like Glenn Hamlin to navigate the vaccine registration process, hoping to get all their seniors vaccinated in the coming weeks. Anderson says on the local level, things are slowly getting better, and he's optimistic the new Biden administration will help turn the corner on COVID. But even once the pandemic has passed, he knows more work will remain.
In the short term, we're trying to make sure our seniors have food. We're trying to make sure they are safe. We're trying to make sure they get vaccinations. But ultimately, what we want is a community where neighbors look out for each other as a matter of course. And that we all recognize each other as sisters and brothers in one family.
Until then, it's more grassroots outreach.
Hi, we are family.
Door to door, helping one person at a time.
Thank you. Good. How are you doing?